Good morning students. In last video lecture we studied about concept of mind mapping, advantages and benefits, and we already studied some examples. In this lecture I would like to give you some assignment questions which is given page number 145 and 146. So here some activities you have to do. Look at the first activity. Study the given tabular column in pairs. Tell your partner the importance of each given below. Here some activities with mind mapping. First one, explore new ideas and concept. Second, brainstorm. Third, take notes. Fourth, write essay. Fifth, memorize information. 6. Create presentations. 7th, study of an assessment. And number 1, executive group project. Student, here you have to do some activities with the help of your friend according to your ideas and concept. Here you just use your ideas. You just read this chart very carefully and write your answer. So did you got the how to do these activities? You just study the column and you just with the help of your friend tell the importance. Here you have to write the importance of the particular points. For example, explore new ideas and concept. What you think about your new ideas and concept, you have to write in short paragraph. Same thing you have to do all of 8 particular topics. Look at the second activities. In second activity, what you have to do? In this activity, mind mapping templates. Use your ideas, thoughts, concept to illustrate, develop them. Means you have to develop your ideas in the form of main branch, sub branch and tertiary branches respectively. Here the given the chart or the figures. Mind map, my mind map, your first ideas, your second ideas, third ideas and fourth ideas, and other sub branches you have to use and complete this idea and write a paragraph on the mind map. You have to complete it. Did you got the ideas of this? Next, continue the next activity. What you have to do in this activity? Develop a mind mapping frame. Develop a mind mapping frame designed to show the development in your personality seen within yourself in the last 5 years. You can take the help of your following points in order to develop each of them into further branches, such as development in physical, self-learning process, communication skills, social awareness, family responsibility. So with the help of this point, you have to just write your answer. Next activity, activity 4th is that develop a mind mapping frame designed to show the benefits of games and sports to the students. You can take the help of the following points in order to develop each of them into further branches. So you have to just do this activity. The branches such as fitness and stamina, team spirit and sportsmanship, group behavior, killer's instinct, will to win, and last activity is that Browse the internet to know the following: different frames design on mind mapping. Second, benefits of mind mapping. Third one, uses of mind mapping in note taking. And fourth one, difference between mind mapping and concept mapping. So according to this way, you have to just complete this activity of on mind mapping.